How to fix cursor moving on its own problem. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, go to your start menu, then go to settings. After that, go to accessibility. Now go to mouse pointer and touch. Now scroll down and then go to text cursor. Now go to mouse pointer and touch again, and then you can change your mouse pointer size and everything from here. But if you want to fix the problem of the cursor moving on its own, simply go to device manager and then find mice and other pointing device, then right click on your mouse, then go to update driver, go to search automatically for driver, and then if you have any update, download it to your device. And other thing you can do is right click on it and then uninstall the device and reinstall it back from the trusted source, and your problem should be fixed. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.